Okay, so we'll save the really exciting bit till last. So this is operations, so they make sure everything gets manufactured, so made, installed, so put into the ground, and signed off to make sure it's safe to play on.
So what's like the basic process?
The basic process of that. Okay, so you've got a factory, which we're going to show you in a minute, from a manufacturing perspective. So they will have a set of instructions to make something from this team. Yeah, absolutely. And these guys will put all those plans and designs together into programs that then get manufactured in there. And some of it's quite clever. So this section of the team here, the operations team, the after sales team, make sure things get manufactured, things get then delivered. Then the operations guys here, the project managers, they work to make sure that it goes in the ground as it should do. And they'll also be considering things like where a skip might go or where a delivery might get delivered. And then once it goes in the ground, it needs signing off. And then we need to pick up the skips and we need to make sure the area is nice, clean and tidy. And then moving forward into the future, we've got the after sales team. And they make sure that your play area stays open then for years to come. By looking after the maintenance side of it, you know, when you were asked about how do we make sure it's good to go all the time. So these are the guys that make sure your play area stays open.
Say when after it's been out in the ground for like what ages,
Yes.
Did it ever like rot?
It shouldn't do. It's in the uprights that go into the ground. They're guaranteed for 20 years against rot and infestation. So this team is the sort of the people that deal with marketing. Kelly and Josh are people that sit on the telephone working with our customers, nurturing those enquiries that are generated from the Chess's marketing side of the business. So the marketing go out there to try and draw in the customers. Once the customers come in, they come into Kelly and Josh. Kelly and Josh will talk to them, understand their needs, understand their budgets, try and find out where they are in the country, because this could be anywhere in the country, it's not just Chester. So let's say Kelly gets an inquiry for a meeting that's good to go, they've got the money in place, it's something that we do. We can then arrange, through Kelly's guidance, a calendar appointment for one of my team to then turn up and meet with the customer, as I did with Stacey and Nick at the time, and run through what it is they're trying to achieve for their children. So what do you think happens? So if you go right to the end of the process, so we've sold the product, we've designed it, we've had it delivered, we've had it installed, and then we've had it signed off, ready for you guys to play on it. What do you think happens that we need then? Payment, exactly. So what Louisa and the finance and accounts team do is they'll make sure the invoicing details are sent to the school to allow the school to pay us for what we've done.